Treating clothing and outdoor gear with permethrin keeps ticks and mosquitoes off you for weeks when done correctly. Permethrin aerosols and concentrates work by binding to fabric fibers and remaining effective through multiple washes when applied per label instructions. So start by choosing a product labeled for clothing and follow the exact dilution and spray distances stated. Treat both sides of thin fabrics and only the outside layers of thicker items, using a well-ventilated area or outdoors to avoid inhaling spray. Pre-treated garments from manufacturers such as Insect Shield use factory processes that embed permethrin into fibers for consistent coverage and are a good choice if you want ready-to-wear protection without home mixing. Allow treated items to cure fully before wearing, which usually means leaving them to air dry for the period specified on the label, because uncured permethrin can transfer to skin or degrade performance. For backpacks and non-washables, spray until damp and allow full drying. And for washable garments, follow label guidance on wash perseverance, which typically specifies a number of wash cycles the treatment will survive. Always wear gloves and avoid applying permethrin directly to skin, and keep children and pets away from treated items until they are completely dry. Store leftover concentrate in the original container, locked up, and dispose of empty aerosol cans or unused product according to local hazardous waste rules. Common mistakes start with using permethrin products not labeled for clothing, which risks poor binding to fabric and unsafe exposures, so always read the label and use only clothing-specific formulations. A second frequent issue is failing to allow treated gear to cure and then wearing it too soon, which can cause skin staining or irritation and reduces long-term effectiveness. So respect the exact cure time and let items dry completely outdoors. A third problem is over-treating or applying excessive amounts, because more is not better and wastes product while increasing environmental load. So apply evenly from the recommended distance until fabric is damp but not saturated, and follow manufacturer guidance on coverage per square foot. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project experiences and tips relevant to outdoor pest control and gear treatments. Our discussion community helps both homeowners and contractors exchange practical advice on safe permethrin use, product choices, and where to buy supplies.